great, ain't it nice? Let's talk about the future on a day like this. Sun and bliss, life feels like it should. Memories, vagaries, millions of options from my seat inside the hallway. Life looks pretty gold. Let's have a drink or two, worrying about now. Well, go on, lead the way, strolling in the summer sun. Well, I don't know about you, listen to the sound. There's a shadow on the ground, and as I turn around, fantastic, says the shark as it slides down Broadway Boulevard at 21 foot two between the gills. While the purists wave their hands and almond and chores live it up, and you'll be taking selfies, tossing $50 bills. Hear me yell, what the hell, this is most unusual. Ronnie, we don't see this too many times a year. Summertime, we'll bum around, I'm not in a position to reflect more than I should on this phenomenon. Just have a drink or two, worrying about now. Till our brains have finally melted in the summer sun. How bad can one fish be? Ain't too big anyway. Fantastic, says the shark as it slides down Broadway Boulevard at 21 foot two between the gills. While the purists wave their hands and almond hand tourists live it up, and you'll be taking selfies, tossing $100 bills. And it's okay to run away. Anyone, but I fucking love this, and I'm having so much fun. A little rum and tea, till my brain is coming forward asking what's wrong with me. Well, I don't know about you, but this has been just great. Things you really cannot change, you must appreciate. Fantastic, says the shark as it slides down Broadway Boulevard, and still no man has called up the police. While the purists wave their hands and almond and tourists live it up, and you'll be taking selfies with your head between the teeth. Fantastic scenery, loud and proud, no inventory. A million little questions in a million little questions. But this song ain't about answering, naming, shaming or canceling. Just run with it, there's a shark in it for you.